Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning. This is the 2145th day of continuous webinar conducted by International Forum for Promoting Homeopathy. Today, our guest is Dr. Kripabri Rana. Let us begin the session with 1 minute silent prayer. Thank you all. The International Forum for Promoting Homeopathy comprises of homeopathic lovers, students, and doctors. And we have 3 sessions every day. The first session of the day is already over in Hindi from 7:30 to 8:30. From 8:30 to 9:30, we have the international session in English. And from 9:30 to 10:30, we have a local language session in Malayalam. We are uploading the videos of the same on the very next day itself so that those who missed the session can watch it again. You can subscribe the same without paying any money. You can share it with anyone who loves homeopathy. Already we have uploaded more than 3,850 videos. And if those who missed the session can watch it by searching at YouTube IFBH Homeopathy. And let me come to today's guest. It is Dr. Kripaba Vairana. She has completed MD and is a consultant homeopath and assistant professor in case taking and repertory at Rajkot Homeopathic Medical College, Pearl University. Today we have an excellent subject that is a constitution to prescription. As you all know, there are different ways of prescription and there are different reasons for prescription for doctors. But this is entirely different one. Constitution, study of constitution and how one can reach the similarium by choosing the constitution as the main theme. So we proudly welcome Dr. Kripa Viva Rana to this session. Welcome.
Good evening, IFPH members and participants. Myself, Dr. Kripa Barana, a consultant homeopath in Rajkot and assistant professor in Department of Taking and Repertory. My today's topic is Constitutional to Prescription, a clinical journey in remedy differentiation. I I choose this topic because many times after taking a case, I feel that 2 or 3 remedy getting a chance of prescription means I always confuse that some symptoms are covered by this remedy and some symptoms covered by this remedy. So I will share my experience with 2 cases that I have differentiated the remedy in the case. So my first case is a 27-year-old married female having a chief complaint of acne since 2 to 3 years. The location is on face, neck, and back. The appearance of the acne is pustular, small, and black spot of the acne remain long time after the appearance, and which is painful. He was Ayurveda doctor by profession and have taken Ayurvedic medicine for that. And have also taken a homeopathic medicine for 2 to 3 months and have also taken a hydrofacial treatment in allied side. The associated complaint in this case is the dandruff on the scalp, dysmenorrhea since menarche, and having a vomiting and nausea. Sometimes she also faints during the menses and she have aggravation from the least movement and cannot get relief in any position. In family history, grandfather having a hypertension and mother having a diabetes. In the physical journals, you have a desire for sweet, spicy, pizza and all, and aversion to very sour like tamarind water or etc. She is thirsty, need a more quantity of water, especially at night. And in thermal, she is towards the chili. She is having a constipation, hard stool, and not satisfactory, sometimes already 2 days. Then I interrogated her about the mentals. I asked her to tell me about your nature. Then she said that I do not angry easily. but sometimes something hurt me, then but I cannot express easily. If someone do efforts for me, then I can express myself for them. These acne are so irritating to me. Please do something for this acne. And then I asked her that, tell me about your affection or attachment. And she told me that I was attached to my grandfather very much, and he died before 1 year. I remember the best memories created with them, and I have also dreams of the grandfather at the night. Then I asked her about the hobby. Then she told me that I want to establish as a profession in field of the Ayurveda, and I like to uh, drawing and just scrolling the phones and spending the time sleeping just in the bed. And she usually goes to the gym daily, but she told me that I was not following the diet and all routine. I just go to gym. Then I asked her that why often you cry. Then she tell me that I cry easily when I spoken loudly, when I becomes emotional, and when anyone tell me repeatedly one things that I do not like. In that, she described that her mother told her that think about your family planning and do it fast. And she becomes irritated that why she repeatedly told me about that. Then I ask her about tell me about your priority. Then she tell that I am quite indecisive even in choosing my clothes. I always need help. I always confused in any decision. I also confused about my career. I have done my graduation, want to become stable in my career. I know her personally, so I know that her in-laws are very rich and have a honor of the one nursing college. But still, she is speaking that I want to become a stable in my career. Her in-laws actually want that she have to handle the college because her husband is not from medical field. So her in-laws her telling that you have to handle this college, do take interest in that. But she tell me that I want to stable in my career in field of the Ayurveda. Then she tell me that usually I am very low confident. I cannot easily speak on the stage or public places. In I am finding a group so we can combinedly invest or make hospitals have a different Ayurvedic doctors. And for this, they tell me that for this I need that type of connection, but I have a less friend. I cannot easily approach to more friends. Then they tell me that I have a fear of going into narrow places, in crowded places, and I am confused about my career. I want to do master degree because I have no confidence to do practice. Although she have completed the BHMS degree, but she told me that I have no confidence to practice. So I am going to the senior doctor for learning, and I have a no clarity about my career right now. I want just stability in my career. So from this, I have made the totality that first, she seems me low confidence, confused or indistinct idea. Means she have a no clarity in even choosing a clothes or either have to go in nursing college or have to practice individually. So I have taken in totality that confused and indistinct idea. She tell me that she weep easily, so I have taken a weep easily. Then she give me in history that fear of going into narrow places, crowded places. And then in totality, I have taken dreams of the late grandfather. She is thirsty, desire for sweets, stool hard, dysmenorrhea, faintness during menses, and black spots remain after the acne. Is there any doubt in totality to anybody? Okay, I have done repertorization. Uh, in this, I have included these all rubrics. And the tentative remedy is lycopodium, sulfur, nux vomica, calcarea carp, silicia, baryta carp, calcarea silicata, and pulsarilla. I have ruled out here the Nux vomica and sulfur, because in the Nux vomica, Nux vomica person is usually very ambitious, and in the sulfur there is a main problem with the ego. So in this case, this remedy is ruled out. But I was confused in the Calcarea carb and Calcarea silicata, and also in the Lycopodium, because all three are goal oriented. The survival depends on that fulfilling some fixed goal. So I was very confused about the Calcarea carb and Calcarea silicata. In the Calcarea silicata, in the boric materia medica, there is a written that postular acne, have a dreams of the late grandfather, and all other qualities are also matching with the Calcarea silicata and Calcarea carb. So now I differentiated all three remedies. I have prescribed the Calcarea Cup 200, and this is the 3 months of follow-up before and after. I have prescribed the Calcarea Cup at the interval of the 15 days. Now I am explaining the how Calcarea silicata is different from the Calcarea carb. In the Calcarea carb, there is a main issue with the stability, security, protection, um, and I just want to feel safe. In this case, also we see that she told me that I want to become a stable in my career. So her main issue is with stability. Then, in terms of security, we see that she cannot able to practice alone, and she don't want to establish her clinic alone. She need a group of people, need some higher authority to make her establish practice. So, in terms of the need of people or dependency of people, here we can see that she wants a security. So, her main issue is with the stability, security, and protection. So, I have this all things are matching with the Calcarea carb. The Calcarea carb is usually timid, and she is also somewhat introverted, cannot express herself much, and they are sensitive to rudeness. This is also she gives in the history that I do not like when anybody tell her repeatedly on one thing. Then the Calcarea carb person is fearful. The fear, actually, fear of Calcarea carb is that, like if she thinks one cruel things in the TV or news, then they become fearful that what happens to the me. So the actually fear of Calcarea carb is like that, but here the fear of the narrow places and crowded places, all that. Then they are low confident, irresolute, or confused. Okay, these all things are matching with the Calcarea carb. But the Calcarea, I was confused at the time that Calcarea carb is the right remedy or Calcarea silicata is the right remedy, because in the Calcarea silicata is also matching with that. I know her personally that she is always manage herself in the good way, in the good dress. So I also feel that she image conscious, or she want to establish a Ayurveda doctor for making a image in front of her families or all. So I was confused at them. Calcarea carb is the right remedy or Calcarea silicata is the right remedy. So for Calcarea silicata, I am explaining some points about the silicia, because the Calcarea silicata is combination of the Calcarea and silicia. Okay. And the silicia is actually psychotic remedy. Her survival depends on the cover up. They make the fixed image, and so that's why they feel anxiety, fear of failure. Also in the rubric elements from anticipation, delusion, false will, anxiety, examination before, all this rubric silicia is given. They have also fear of the going into stage and all specific fear. But the silicia have a fear of this type because she thinks that if I will present in the stage or in front of people, maybe my fixed image will be lost. She think that if she is a good scientist, then other also have to think that she is a good scientist. Means they have a monomania. They constantly proving herself on a specific manner, and their survival also depend on the constantly proving oneself in the fixed way. And Cilicia is like crown of the prince that all have think that our family responsibility have taken to this prince. So they make their image that I have to fulfill their expectation. The Cilicia is in always trying to fulfill their fixed image. They are goal oriented. They have a specific goal, but in the fixed way. In I have compared here the lycopodium also. Lycopodium also how survival depend on reaching a particular goal. But in the lycopodium, they have a doubt that whether I am capable to doing a action or not. So that's why they low confident. But in the Cilicia, they are low confident because they have a doubt there either they have protect their particular image or not. So that's why they are low confident. In this one example is also given that if the child is exceedingly glued in the cricket in childhood, then this will create a one impression in their mind that I will be accepted in the family if I will perform a good cricket, or I will become a good cricketer. So this leads to create anxiety, tension, or timidity in the Cilicia. Means they have they have to reach a particular or fixed goal. Cilicia is also given in the rubric obstinate, yielding, and also in contradiction, intolerance of. In all these three rubrics, Cilicia is given. These are looking a opposite rubric, but in yielding, Cilicia is given because they yield to their family expectation that they have to fulfill this image, so that's why they become ill. Suppose husband wants that a wife have to goes outside for the work and have to perform other duties, then she always in trying to make a try to make a good image in front of husband, so that's why she tries to other things in for impress her husband. So that's why in yielding rubric Cilicia is given. And in obstinate Cilicia is given because they cannot tolerate if they are told that you cannot do this. They must have to do this work or this image or impress other. So that's why in Cilicia also magnetized to be given. And they don't like if we opposed her that you cannot do. So that's why in contradiction, intolerance of Cilicia is given. Means survival of Cilicia is totally depend on one's create or maintaining the fixed image. Lyco, Cilicia, Calcarea, all are goal oriented. They have to fulfill their goal. But in this way, the Cilicia is somewhat different. Now the Calcarea silicata. This is combination of Calcarea and Silicia. Silicia have to maintain a particular standard or maintain a particular image. This is given in this also silicate, Silicia. And in the Calcarea, insecurity and need for protection. So in Calcarea silicata, we have get both these quality. Calcarea silicata are not very much obstinate like the calcarea, but they are sensitive to reprimand because they have to maintain a certain standards. They have a fear of poverty, anticipatory anxiety, desire to be magnetized, because they want the support or trust of people. So they become a timid, bashful, irresolute. They have also anxiety about health, but this anxiety they help for make an excuse for non-achievement. uh, they In the consolation aggravation also calcarea silicata is given. This also two rubrics are seems to be opposite, but in the consolation aggravation calcarea silicata is given because they want a support but does not want to be told that he is not capable or he is no having a no problem. Means they use subconsciously that I am a ill and that's why I cannot fulfill this goal or this fulfill this image. So calcarea silicata make a always excuse. They have a grades also seen in the Baraita carb. That Baraita carb are also dependent. But in the Baraita carb, they does not consciously need to achieve. But in the Calcarea silicata, they feels that they have to fulfill some goal because they are coming from demanding and supportive family. And that's why they become a yield or dependent. But in the Calcarea silicata, they make an excuse for non-achievement. In the LICO also survival depends on achieving, but the LICO in the LICO they are stuck there. If there is a have a doubt, I am ill, I have a problem, so I cannot fulfill that particular image. In the Calcarea silicata, there is dreams about the anxiety, insecurity, and pleasant dream of talking with the dead relatives. This is the issue is not that I have to reach to particular goal, but the that what should I do? Her main problem is with the stability that I am not stable. I also have come Baraita carb in the mind because I thought that she is from rich family, why she have to do this much of stuff or task. She can easily handle the nursing college and become a stable, but the main issue in her mind and feeling in her mind is that I want to become a stable. So this stability, protection, confusion, low confidence, all are covered very well in the Calcarea carp rather than Calcarea silicata. If she will be Calcarea silicata, then she will be ill to according to their family demands. That their in-laws is want that she have to uh, in-laws want that she have to handle a nursing college. Then for making an image or impression, she if she was Calcarea silicata, she will try to fulfill their demand or try to yield according to situation. But here she is stubborn that I have to become an Ayurveda doctor or I have to establish a Ayurveda clinic in the group. So this whole issue is more covered in the Calcarea carb rather than the Calcarea silicata or Lyco. So I have prescribed the Calcarea silicata 200 at 15 days interval, and she is better after the 3 months. This is the case number one. Is there any doubt in the case one? Okay, I am going to case two. In the case number two, a 37-year-old unmarried female presented with the following complaints: sleeplessness for past 3 to 4 years, pyorrhea with tooth pain since past 4 years, and the known case of the hypothyroidism and on the regular allopathic medicine for the thyroid. The patient has also undergone the allopathic treatment for above complaint in the past, but have no satisfactory relief and symptoms persisted. In the physical journals, she is towards Chile, having a in the thirst. She drink the less water and many times only 3 to 4 glasses of water. I mean, she is thirstless. In the mental interrogation, I told her to tell me about your nature. And patient described it herself as a generally she was anxious, especially regarding her daily household responsibility. She is religious by nature and enjoyed the praying, singing, bhajan, reading the religious books, and visiting temples. In the dreams, she frequently dreams of the god and occasionally has a fearful dreams. When I asked her about weeping, that she told me that she does not weep easily. Then I asked her about the anxiety. Then she told me that the patient is anxious about her brother because their father passed away during the childhood, and she feels that her brother has had to bear all the familial responsibility alone. So she feels that she supports him by helping his wife with household chores and sewing. She is extremely anxious about her dental condition. After undergoing the root canal treatment for pyorrhea, she constantly worries that the disease may progress and she may lose her teeth at early age. She recalled the reading in newspaper that untreated pyorrhea can cause the serious complication, which further intensified her anxiety. She repeatedly requests to give medicine that would preserve her teeth throughout her life. This persistent thought continuously occupy her mind, and particularly at night, and leading to her disturbed sleep and insomnia. She also feels shy about going out because of appearance after this treatment. So here we see that she is having anxiety about a family, anxiety about her dental problem, and she feels shy from this problem and leads to having a sleep disturb. Okay. Now I asked about her fear. Then she told me that she is afraid of herself in the public. She told me that she is afraid of herself in the public. All these are particularly after the undergoing with the root canal treatment. As she feels people may notice or judge her appearance because of these fears, and because no one is unavailable to accompany her. She discontinued postgraduate studies. She also said that her illness influenced her decision to remain uneducated or unmarried. Means she have completed her graduation study, but she have not completed her post graduation study because she feels that nobody is with her in going into college. So she feels fear about that. And when she alone, she feels as though someone may come or approach her. She has also fear of result. She feels embarrassed in the presence of men and avoids interacting with them whenever possible. So she is a shy, avoid interaction with the men, have a fear of being alone, fear to go anywhere alone. This is reflect in this fear. She also fear that someone will notice her, or someone uh, notice her or judge her appearance. So she feels shy after this root canal treatment. Then I asked her about anger. Then she told me that she becomes angry and irritated easily when someone says or does something wrong, and whenever possible, she expresses her anger verbally. Then I asked her about sensitivity. And then she is particularly sensitive about her dental condition and remains preoccupied with the fear of premature tooth loss. She also feels self-conscious about her appearance. She also stated that her abdomen has increased in size over past few months and making feel her physically unattractive. Means she was very conscious about her appearance and feels fear that someone will how look at me, how gives opinions about me. So this type of fear sensitivity is get in this case. From this, I have made the totality of case that first, see shy, bashful, fear of going alone, need someone always, fear of being alone, delusion, others are thinking that she is not looking good, uh, fear teeth will fall, then how I will look. Questions continuously about the health, how to make medicines, etc. She always repeatedly ask me that I have to this medicine this time or this time. Means I have noticed that she always question in small thing, small things. Then she fear of the disease, because she even read in the newspaper about this pyorrhea, then the feels that my teeth will lose, my teeth will fall, then the feeling is shy in front of men or society. Then I have taken a low self-esteem because she feels that I am not looking a good after this root canal treatment, or my abdomen is not proper. So I have taken a low self-esteem and the low confidence and the thirstlessness. Anyone have to add any points in the totality? Okay. The tentative remedies in this case is Calcarea carp, Kali carp, Baraita carp, Silicia, Ambragricia, sepia. Uh, I thought about the calm me about anxiety, family anxiety, all those things. See, don't give all this history in one follow up. So first of all, I think about the Kali carp that she have anxiety about their family. Then I think about the Baraita Cup because she is so shy and having a dependency on the people that she cannot remain alone at the home, or she cannot even goes to the her college alone. So I think that she is a Baraita Cup. Then I have also confused with the Silisha because Cilicia also have a so much of low confidence, and because of the low confidence, I think she feels shy or bashful. So I was also think about the Baraita carp and Calcarea carp. I thought that she is thinking that other what others are think about myself, or other will observe my confusion. So I also think about the Calcarea carp. Then I think about the Ambra Gracia because the in Ambra Gracia, there is a bashfulness or shyness is in the 3 marks. So I also think about the Ambra Gracia and the Sepia. In the Sepia, there is a written that they feel that my figure is this proper. So I also think about the Sepia because her main feeling is that I am not looking good. Uh, so I tentative remedy in my mind is all this remedy. Now, if we look about at the rubric, then in the mind, confidence, want of self confidence, in that Baraita carb is given in the 3 marks. If our issue is with confidence, then there may be Baraita carb. Now, if we took a rubric that mind sensitive opinion of others too, because she also told me that what other thinks about me is a matter for me. So, in the rubric, mind sensitive opinion of others to the in this Cilicia is 3 marks is given. Now, if we took the rubric fear opinion of others of, then in this Ambragracia is given. So these three rubrics are looking so similar, but in these all rubrics the remedy are different. So we have to know that what is the main feeling of her, or what is the main constitution of the her. I prescribe the Calcarea carb because all other points are supporting the Calcarea carb. Fear, her anxieties about the health, her care about her dependency. All these are covered in the Calcarea carb. I have prescribed the Calcarea carb 200, but she was not better in the sleep, in dental condition, all these things. She is not better in all these things. So in the next follow-up, I ask her, she comes with her mother, and I ask her about it, how you are in the work uh, to the relatives. Then she tell me that she is good in the routine work. She can do the all household work in the better way. But in if we give her any new task or new work, then they cannot easily learn these things. Then I told her, asked her about it. Do you like to complete task alone? Then she told me that no, I cannot able to complete my task alone. Then I asked her that why. Then she tell me that if somebody with me, then I feel relaxed that he or she will learn the task, and I have no need to I have to do no need of anything. So in this also there is a dependency is reflect. Then I ask her about that how you are in the calculation decision or any new task. Then she tell me that I am very weak in the taking any decision firmly. I cannot take decision alone. I need help of family, and I cannot take new task easily or learn easily. I need help. I have to learn it many times, and I am also not good in the calculation. Even the whole household calculation is doing her brother's wife. And she told me that I am helping my brother in brother's wife in the sewing, but this machine is goes to many time in the repairing, because she always do it mistake in that and not do it properly. Means I think that she is not proper in the fine work or not good in the fine work. Uh, then I asked her about the milestone. Is it proper time to her mother? Then her mother told me that all my other milestone are at proper age, means play all that, but her teeth comes the late from the normal age. So her milestone is also delayed. So can anyone guess the remedy? Okay. I prescribed the her Baraita Cap 200 from all this, because all these follow-up questions is also closely related to Calcarea carb also and Baraita carb also. But the Calcarea carb have not worked, and I then read that the Baraita carb is very initials, means they have a very low confidence, shy, bashful. They can not do the any new task alone. These all things are comes covers in the Baraita Cup. In the book of Praful Vijayakar, they also have written that the Baraita Cup always ask a question in the small things. And they have anxiety because of the anxiety, and they cannot understand the question properly. So this all her totality is covered in the Baraita Cup very well. This all totality, I think, covers very well in the Baraita Cup, that low confidence, low self-esteem, except the thirstlessness, feeling the shy in front of men or society, bashful, fear of going alone, need someone. This show the dependency. Uh, Fear teeth will fall. This is the anxiety. Questions continuously about the health. So all these things is covered in the Baraita Cup. So I have prescribed the Baraita Cup, and she is better in the sleep problem and her teeth problem. But her allopathic medicines for hypothyroidism is still continued, because I have no much confidence to stop this medicine. But she is better, absolutely better in the sleep problem and her dental problem. So, anybody have any other questions? Okay,
Yes, it is a very right, very good case presentation and very good description, and really done justice to your uh, heading, that is
uh,
constitutional precision. I am inviting Vibhu Prasad Panda sir to say a few words, and
okay.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Kripa
Yes, sir.
You presented nicely, and in both the cases, you have selected the medicine that is calciricum. So, is it
Uh,
favorite remedy?
but yes,
To select favorite remedy, it is prejudice.
uh,
In
what
home-
is your question, sir? Please repeat.
in homeopathy, there should not be any type of favorite remedy. We should
Yeah,
unprejudicedly. In both the case, you have selected the same medicine, that is calciricum.
yes, sir.
And that's why I ask you whether it is your favorite remedy.
No, sir, it is not my favorite remedy, but I usually in 2 to 3 cases I was confused between the Calcarea carb and Baraita carb, and sometimes the with the silicia. So I select this type of cases for presentation. That you senior teachers give me advice that how to differentiate. This is my experience that how I was differentiated. In the second case, I first prescribed the Calcarea carb, but Calcarea carb have not done their work. So I asked her a direct question for the Baraita carb. And then second time I have prescribed the Baraita carb, and Baraita carb have worked in the second case. But usually when patient comes, they not directly represented. They are dumb. They are not actually good. So I confused, always confused in 2 to 4 cases that this is the case was the Baraita carb or Calcarea carb, and I have difficulty in choosing this right remedy. So I have took these cases that in these cases I have worked or read. So I have choose these 2 cases of Calcarea carb.
Actually, calciricum, that is a deep acting antisuric remedy, and
Yes.
like your lycopodium, like your sulfur.
Mhm.
So when the patient came to you, she or he has must be some acute problems. So you
Mm.
have not prescribed any type of acute medicines on the basis of acute problem.
No, I have prescribed on the acute problem, but in the first case, she have taken the many treatments and she suffering from long time, and also have a dysmenorrhea and all this. So I considered it as a chronic. And the second case also she is having a insomnia and all this. But yeah, if this covers the totality, then is I also prescribe in the acute cases also Calcarea carb if it covers the totality of acute.
You are right. We can prescribe calculator both in acute as well as in chronic cases if the totality is concerned. So, but
Yeah.
what happens when a patient obviously come to us and having problem, the problem is acute. For example, in case of insomnia, you may think about our medicine Passiflora for temporary relief, and again we have to go to for constitutional medicine. So you have taken the signs and symptom uh, from the case which for reportorial purpose also in the case number one. So why not you think about the acute problem and directly you select a constitutional medicine, whether the constitution in both the case, that is like calciraca what we have studied in our mathematica, that is fair fatty flabby etc.
Yeah, sir.
In both the cases the constitution was like calculator.
In the both the cases, yeah, not much fatty, but they are dark skin and all this are covered.
That means you have selected the medicine on the basis of totality, and you have not selected on the basis of constitution. Am I
No,
right?
no, not on constitution, but I have selected constitutional medicine means it cover the whole totality of the case. Yeah,
Constitutional medicine means the constitution must correlate with that person. Am I
yeah,
right? So, but
yeah,
what you did, of course, you succeed in your cases. It is good, and you have taken exceedingly the cases and analyze it properly. But as the constitution of Calcutta consists, So you have not looked the physical makeup and mental. You have considered the mental makeup, but not the physical makeup. Am I correct?
Yeah, I have look at on the constitution makeup. matlab I have look at the physics, but their mentals are sound. Means I have get the some mental symptoms from that case. So I have select my remedy on the basis of that, not totally on this constitution makeup or physical appearance.
As per your selection of topic, that is how to reach the remedy from constitution, right?
Huh.
So,
From consti.
so
Huh.
you are giving priority to the constitution. Constitution is an aggregated hereditary character more or less influenced by the environment which determines the individual reaction successful or unsuccessful to the stress of the environment as per Stuart Close's definition. So, of course, you collect the sign symptom extensively and you consider the mental symptom, you consider the history, and wherever you become confused, then you go to the Mathematica and other medicine books, and at last you come to the conclusion. It is right, but as per your title is concerned, so whether in both the cases the constitution of the persons they are like Kalkirega.
Uh, Yeah, in the first case, the mm, weight is not much, but in the second case, the constitutional appearance is matching with the Calcarea carp, that is fatty and all that. In the first case, I want to tell that not exactly like a Calcarea carp, but in the second case, yes.
Then why you select the what I am telling
Yes.
that is 200 potency, in which base? What is your base?
Okay. Whenever there is a mental symptoms are matching with the drug, then I usually goes to the higher potency. And if there is a pathological symptoms, or if I choose the remedy on the basis of some therapeutic points of view, then I usually give in the low potency. But I have started with the 200, and if the 200 is the work, then I goes to the 1 m potency, because I thought that if the remedy is minimum, then 200 will also work and 1 m will be also work if the
Oh,
remedy is minimum.
okay, we can go to Dr. Manan, sir.
Thank you, Dr.
Okay.
Ramesh and Dr. Sreya. Well, one thing is sure, the case was cured. Then,
Uh,
it's
uh,
we can only make sure this is a remedy or the potency is correct after it has cured the case. So,
yes,
the other questions are only some technical questions. So,
yes,
you have done a good job and have what Hanuman intended, you've done it. That's all. Then again,
yes,
we must be more cautious in regarding in using certain words. There is no wrong remedy.
yes,
There is only a remedy which can be considered as a remedy only after it cures a case.
yes,
Up to that, until that age, it's only similar medicine. These
yes,
are the valuable points of homeopathy. So that's important. Then we must remember about the diet and regimen. With all these other questions are, I think, pure technical because we already succeeded the case. That's all. Thank you.
yes, sir.
Yes, yes, physician's high and only mission is to restore the sick to health.
Yes, sir.
That's what. Whether whatever way you travel or whatever way you used to do things, it doesn't matter much. What matters is your destination, that is to be cured. Yes, you have done it in that way, and you succeeded in that way also. So that means that your methodology works not only for you, but for all those who watch the session. And only since Professor Panda sir want to show the others that you are doing an excellent work. That's the reason why sir was telling this and that, and that's a very good because it's a part of motivation, and not only simply motivating, but others to know why you have done these things. And there are some suspicion about medicines in the mind of some of the people when they are watching this. But the only thing is giving more clarity to your presentation. Anyway, congratulations, Dr. Kripa Power. Because these kind of energetic and enthusiastic young dynamic doctors are the need of the hour, because we will have to show the world that homeopathy works in a better way, and why we say that homeopathy is scientific. Because some people used to say that this is a pseudoscience, but it is no. We are working very hard. Our works, our principles, choosing, and because on the basis of that prescription, only we are prescribing medicine and not simply blindly giving this medicine, that medicine. Yeah, somebody can go and buy some medicine from the homeopathic store and take that and take it and show them that, oh, I took homeopathy medicine, but I didn't get the benefit from that medicine. So homeopathy is a pseudoscience. But if you work in this way, we can definitely prove that homeopathy is not simply a pseudoscience, but it is the pure science among sciences. That's what I would like to say. Yes, sir. What's your opinion on that?
She has emphasized in case taking in nicely. That's why, as you told, she has fulfilled the mission. That
Yes.
means the main mission is to restore the sick to health to cure. What she has been justified. So that's why it is appreciable. And in the beginning stage, if our colleagues, they will emphasize in case taking and take and consider everything and select the medicine in proper way, so definitely there will be success and the radical cure can be established. So what Dr. Kripa has been justified. So it is appreciable, and as per the potency selection, as she told, that the mental symptoms are very prominent. So where the mental symptoms are prominent, in those cases definitely we have to go for medium and higher potency because of higher susceptibility. So she has considered the susceptibility for selection of potency, and she has taken all the uncommon peculiar symptom as Dr. Hahnemann has mentioned in aphorism number 153, and she has, though both the cases they are physical cases, but she has considered the mental symptoms as our masters they advise that in case of physical diseases we must consider the mental symptoms which are characteristic. So she has considered those things, and she has also reporterized, and after reporterization again she has taken some similar medicines and analyzed those similar medicines and compare with all the medicine one after another, and finalize the medicine after being satisfied, and then he prescribe it and get the success. So this process should be adopted by all, and by taking the superficial symptoms or considering the outcome only, if you select the medicine it will palliate. But she has not done is, she has considered all the signs and symptoms, both mental, physical, the patient as a whole, as per our guideline, and select the medicine considering the susceptibility, and in between take the follow properly. That's why in both the cases she became success, and my best wishes which is with her, and if this type of practice she will do in future, definitely she will establish herself as a good homeopathic physician, and we all must encourage our physicians, those who are practicing in such a manner. And this type of case presentation definitely it will encourage the practitioners, and though it is a extensive case taking, so this is the need, because both the patient they have referred by someone else, so they are
Yeah.
referred cases, they have not directly come to her. So that's why it was a challenge for her. So she had taken the cases extensively, analyzed it, evaluated it, then reporterize it, then select the medicine, and accordingly she select the potency also. That's why it became success. So
Yes.
as you told, sir, the mission mission was fulfilled, and such type of practice is the need of the day. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much, sir. It's over to Dr. Ambaresh sir to say photo thanks.
Thank you, Dr. Dhanesh ji, and Namaskar, Dr. Manoj ji, and Dr. Panda sir. So, congratulations, Dr. Kripa
Thank you.
Rana.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice presentation, case presentation according to Constitution. Very good presentation. And totality of symptom, according to totality of symptom, select one case calcarea car, another. So calcarea car with the Constitution remedy 3F fair fatty flavin. So thank you, very, very thanks. Again, presentation behalf of IFPH, very, very thanks. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Ambaresh sir, Dr. Bipul Prasad Pandey sir, Manoj Doctor, and Dr. Kripa Bibish, and those who attend the English session in this evening. Tomorrow, we will have a session from Dr. Menal Arun Trivedi, and she will be talking about restoring the rhythm and integrity approach to PCOS. Thank you all. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Over to Dr. Manoj to moderate the Malayalam session.